Hey Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are combining two patterns into one bikini top. We are taking the Victoria bra cap construction and the Sandy bikini front tie for that beautiful adjustable front. Ties at the front, ties at the neck. And because this version has no hardware at all, we are making it reversible too. Hit the like, hit the hype, hit the subscribe and let's start sewing. For this style you will need half meter of your main fabric and half meter of the lining one, or fabric A and fabric B. Yes, we are going reversible again. First I will make the new front piece. So I'm using the Victoria inner cap and Sandy bikini top, the front piece. The first thing I need to do is to make the straps longer. So I think if I have enough, I will go for 20 centimeters more. But I'm not really sure if I have enough of this fabric. Like this. Round shape at the top of the strap. I won't mess it today. Now I take the Sandy pattern. I think 10 is totally enough. So it will be somewhere here. Copy the front of my Sandy and make the new front tie piece, or the front tie, yeah, like this. This is exactly what I need. Now I can cut the first piece from this fabric. Round front, new front edge, long neck ties or the straps. Now you can see it better, I think. And then the bottom edge, cup seam, and underarm. So this is how my new inner cap looks like. And I just need to make the edge more rounded. And cut second inner cap. So these are my new inner caps. I added 10 centimeters right here at the front and then 20 centimeters right here to the straps. Then two coconut mirrored outer caps. And I will cut my back piece on the fold. Since we don't use the underbust elastic, I will make the bottom edge straight. And then all pieces also from the lining fabric. First pin or baste and sew both cap seams and also the side seams, main and lining layers separately. At this point we can leave an opening in one of the side seams so we can turn the whole piece to the right side later. And I think the side seam is the best way how we can do it. So I will sew a few centimeters right here. Then I leave the opening unsewn, and I think about 5 centimeters, and sew the rest of the seam. Then place the layers right sides together and pin and sew them all around. Align the seams. You can add a swimwear elastic to all seams to get a better shape and support. I just like my swimwear more without the elastic, so I am not using it. turn the top to the right side through the opening we made here in the side seam. Take your needle and thread and hand stitch the opening. And our bikini top made from Victoria pattern is done. Let's try it on.